Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
Hello, I am Mark. I am ready to learn.
Very good, Mark. Today we will learn something very useful.
Oh, what is it?
Today we will learn how to use could have and could have been.
I hear this many times, but I do not understand it well.
That is okay. Today we will go slow, very slow. Simple words, short sentences.
Good. I like slow.
Yes. And dear listener, you can speak with us, repeat with us, practice with us.
Yes, speak with us.
Okay, let's begin. Part 1. What does could have mean? First question mark. What does could mean?
Could means maybe, possible?
Yes, very good. Could means something is possible.
Possible.
Now listen carefully. Could have talks about the past.
The past.
Yes, something was possible in the past, but it did not happen.
Oh, it was possible, but it did not happen.
Exactly. Example 1. Listen. I could have gone to the party.
I could have gone to the party.
What does this mean?
Maybe I did not go?
Yes, good. It means it was possible, but I did not go.
Ah, so maybe I stayed home.
Yes, very good. Practice time. Dear listener, repeat. I could have gone.
I could have gone.
Again, I could have gone.
I could have gone.
Very good. Now we look at the structure. Structure means the form.
The form.
We say subject plus could have plus past participle.
Past participle?
Yes. For example, go becomes gone. Eat becomes eaten. See becomes seen. Do becomes done.
Ah, the third form.
Yes, the third form. Listen. I could have eaten pizza.
I could have eaten pizza.
Did I eat pizza?
No.
Right. It was possible, but I did not eat pizza.
Maybe you ate rice.
Maybe, yes. Listen. She could have studied more.
She could have studied more.
Did she study more?
No.
Correct. It was possible, but she did not. I will say a sentence. You say if it happened or not. Ready?
Ready.
He could have called me. Did he call me?
No.
Good. She could have won the game. Did she win?
No.
Excellent. We use could have in 3 common ways.
3 ways?
Yes. Regret, possibility, criticism.
Oh, big words.
Don't worry, we go slow. 1. Could have for regret. Regret means you feel sad about something in the past.
Ah, like I am sorry.
Yes. Example. I could have studied harder.
That sounds sad.
Yes, it means I did not study hard. Now I feel sad.
Ah, I understand.
Repeat. Repeat. I could have studied harder. Pause.
I could have studied harder.
Very good. Mark, give me an example.
I could have woken up earlier.
Very good. Did you wake up early?
No.
And now?
I am late.
That is regret. Now, number 2, possibility. Example, it could have rained yesterday.
So maybe rain, maybe not rain?
Yes, we are not sure.
Ah, not 100% sure.
Exactly. Another example, the noise could have been a dog.
Maybe dog, maybe not.
Yes, We are guessing. Now number 3. Criticism means you say someone should do better.
Like a small complaint?
Yes. Example, you could have helped me.
Oh, that sounds angry.
Yes, it means you did not help, but you had the chance.
Ah, I see.
Practice together. Repeat, you could have helped me.
You could have helped me.
Very good. Okay. I understand could have, but what about could have been?
Very good question. Could have been is similar, but we use it with been.
Been from be?
Yes, past participle of be is been.
Structure. Subject plus could have been plus noun or adjective.
Oh, different structure.
Yes. Listen. It could have been worse.
It could have been worse.
Was it worse?
No.
Yes. It was bad, but not very bad.
Ah,
Example number 2. He could have been a doctor.
so he is not a doctor.
Yes, maybe he wanted to be a doctor, but now he is not.
Maybe he is a teacher.
Maybe. Repeat. He could have been a doctor.
He could have been a doctor.
Very good. That could have been dangerous.
So it was possible to be dangerous?
Yes, but maybe nothing bad happened.
Ah.
Now we compare.
Compare means see the difference.
Yes. Example 1. I could have gone.
Example 2, it could have been fun. First one, action. Second one, state.
Wow, very good. Yes. Could have plus verb, action.
Could have been plus adjective or noun, state or identity. Ah, clear now.
Okay, listener, now you speak. I say the sentence, you repeat. I could have tried.
I could have tried.
She could have called.
She could have called.
It could have been better.
It could have been better.
He could have been angry.
He could have been angry.
Excellent. Now we make a small story. Mark did not study for a test.
Oh no.
After the test, Mark says,
I could have studied more.
good. Then he says,
I could have asked the teacher.
yes. And after the test, he thinks,
The test could have been easier.
ha, yes. Very good. Listening practice. I will speak fast, listen carefully. I could have called you, but I forgot.
So you did not call.
Correct. It could have been a big problem.
Maybe big problem, but maybe not.
Yes. Common mistake. Important. Do not say, I could have went.
Oh, that is wrong?
Yes. We say, I could have gone.
Third form.
Yes, always third form.
Quick review.
What does could have mean?
Past possibility, but did not happen.
Very good. What does could have been mean?
Past state in the past.
Excellent. Final practice conversation. Mark, yesterday I was tired.
Oh.
I could have gone to the gym, but I did not.
Ah.
I could have been stronger now. Your turn.
Yesterday, I could have cleaned my room.
Did you?
No.
And now?
It could have been clean.
Perfect. Perfect. Final review. Let's review. Say it with me. Could have. Past possibility. Regret. Criticism. Did not happen. Could have been. Past possible state. Use with adjective or noun.
I feel happy.
Why?
Because I understand.
That is wonderful. Dear listener, you are doing great. Practice every day, speak slowly, repeat many times.
English is not magic. Practice makes it better.
Yes. In part 1, we learned could have, possible in the past, but did not happen. Could have been, possible state in the past.
Mess.
Very good. Now we go deeper, slowly, step by step.
I am ready.
Listener, are you ready? Good. Let's begin. Part 2. More about could have. Situation 1. Missed opportunity. Could have is very common for missed opportunity.
Missed opportunity?
Yes, you had a chance, but you did not take it.
Ah.
Example. I could have learned English earlier.
So you did not learn earlier.
Yes, and now maybe I think, oh no.
That feels like regret again.
Yes, very good. Repeat after me. Repeat. I could have started sooner.
I could have started sooner.
Again. I could have tried harder.
I could have tried harder.
Excellent. Situation 2. Something was possible. Now listen. The bus could have been late.
So maybe it was late, maybe not.
Yes, we are not 100% sure.
Not sure.
Correct. Listener practice. I will say 2 sentences. You tell me, is this regret or just possibility? Sentence 1. I could have saved more money.
That sounds like regret.
Yes. Sentence 2. The noise could have been the wind.
That is possibility.
Very good. Now, very important. In fast English, we do not always say could have. We say could have.
Could have?
Yes. Listen. I could have gone.
I could have gone.
Very natural English. Repeat slowly. Could have.
Could have.
Now fast. Could have.
Could have.
Very good. Now we learn the negative.
Negative means no.
Yes. We say couldn't have, or short, couldn't have.
Couldn't have.
Example. I couldn't have done it without you.
That sounds nice.
Yes. It means it was not possible. Example 2. He couldn't have known.
So he did not know?
Yes. And it was impossible for him to know.
Ah.
Practice. Repeat. I couldn't have finished on time.
I couldn't have finished on time.
Very good. Now we ask questions.
Oh, how?
We put could at the beginning. Example. Could I have done better?
That sounds like self-question.
Yes, very good. Another example. Could she have forgotten?
So maybe she forgot?
Yes, we are guessing. Repeat. Could he have missed the train?
Could he have missed the train?
Excellent. Now let's focus on could have been.
Okay, I want more practice.
Good. Let's go deeper. Example 1. Past identity. She could have been famous.
But she is not famous now?
Yes, maybe she had talent, but life changed.
Ah.
Example 2. Past feeling. He could have been upset.
So maybe he felt upset?
Yes, we are guessing about his feeling. Example 3. Past condition. The accident could have been serious.
But maybe it was not serious?
Yes, maybe only small damage.
Good.
Big listening practice. I will say a short story. Listen carefully. Yesterday, Tom was late. He missed the bus. He says, I could have left earlier. The bus could have been delayed. It could have been worse.
Okay, let me understand.
Good. Tell me, did Tom leave early?
No.
Was the bus delayed?
Maybe. Not sure.
Was the situation very bad?
No. It could have been worse.
Perfect. Now we make a real conversation. I will start. Yesterday, I forgot my phone at home.
Oh no.
I could have checked my bag.
Yes.
The day could have been difficult.
But was it difficult?
No, it was okay.
So it could have been worse.
Yes, excellent. Now I say a sentence. You say action or state. Sentence 1. I could have called you.
Action.
Yes. Sentence 2. It could have been dangerous.
State.
Good. Sentence 3. She could have won.
Action.
Yes. Sentence 4. He could have been sick.
Perfect.
We often use could have when we feel something. For example, I could have cried.
That means very emotional.
Yes. Or I could have laughed.
Strong feeling again.
Yes. Very strong feeling. Repeat. I could have cried.
I could have cried.
Now say it's sad.
I could have cried.
Very good acting. Let's act. You forgot your friend's birthday.
Oh no,
Say something with could have.
I could have remembered.
Good.
I could have bought a gift.
Excellent.
The day could have been special.
Very, very good. Important reminder. Do not say, I could have did it. She could have saw it.
Wrong.
Yes. Correct. I could have done it. She could have seen it.
Always third form.
Yes, always. Quick grammar review. Say it with me. Structure 1. Subject plus could have plus past participle. Example, I could have finished. Structure 2. Subject plus could have been plus noun adjective. Example, it could have been better.
Simple now.
Yes, simple is good. Mini test. Ready for small test?
Yes.
Choose the correct one. I could have go, gone.
Gone.
Correct. She could have been happy, eat.
Happy.
Good. He couldn't have known.
Known.
Excellent. Now speak slowly with me. I could have done better.
I could have done better.
Again. I could have been stronger.
I could have been stronger.
Beautiful. End of part 2. Review. Let's review again.
Yes.
Could have equals possible action in the past, but it did not happen.
Yes.
Could have been equals possible state in the past.
Yes.
Negative equals couldn't have.
Yes.
Question equals could plus subject plus have.
Yes.
You are improving. I feel proud. You should. Dear listener, practice these sentences today. Say them again and again. I could have tried. It could have been better. I couldn't have done it. Could she have forgotten? Practice every day.
Practice makes progress.
Exactly.